wachawi wasaidie Kenya. Right now, falling sick in this country is like signing a death warrant. And it's not just for the doctors. Everyone in this country, people from Mandera, Busia, Kitale, they can tell you. You go to a hospital, you have less than 50% chance of coming out of that place. You're going to die. There are no doctors. The doctors there are overworked. No one is fighting for them. That's why we have come here. We've put everything down. And if it goes like this, then they'll have to go and employ those guys they always call from other countries. And let's see if those ones can treat Kenyans better. And like other protesters, sisi tuko na utu. Some of us are still treating patients and are waiting for those who will be injured even today. Because that's how the government operates with us. They allow us to get to the streets, then they attack us with guns. So there are people waiting for us, they'll do everything's okay. But the movement is strong. The numbers do not reflect on what we're fighting for.